Constipation occurs when the movement of food through the digestive system slows down, leading to infrequent bowel movements or difficulty passing stools. One major cause of constipation is a lack of fiber in the diet, which helps to soften stools and promote regular bowel movements by adding bulk to waste material in the colon. Certain medications like painkillers, antidepressants, antacids, iron supplements, and diuretics may also contribute to constipation. Several drinks can offer relief, and the key is to choose beverages that are high in fiber or have natural laxative properties. Here are 11 healthy drinks that relieve constipation quickly. Watch to the end to learn how to prevent future constipation. 1. Prune juice. Prune juice is a natural laxative that can help relieve constipation. Made from dried plums, it is high in fiber and sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that has a mild laxative effect. Drinking prune juice on an empty stomach in the morning can stimulate bowel movements and cleanse the digestive system. The fiber in prune juice adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. However, excessive consumption can lead to diarrhea and abdominal discomfort, so start with small servings and gradually increase as needed. 2. Fennel tea. Fennel tea is a popular herbal drink known for its digestive properties. Fennel seeds contain compounds that relax the muscles in the intestines, allowing stool to pass more easily. Besides aiding digestion, fennel tea can reduce inflammation, improve respiratory function, and boost milk production in nursing mothers. To make fennel tea, steep 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Pre-made fennel tea bags are also available at most health food stores. 3. Hot lemon water. Hot lemon water is made by adding fresh lemon juice to hot water and drinking it first thing in the morning. The acidity of lemon helps stimulate bowel movements, while the warm water relaxes the digestive muscles. This drink can also help flush out toxins from the system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports healthy digestion by promoting bile production. Regularly drinking hot lemon water as part of a healthy diet can enhance skin health, boost the immune system, and aid in weight loss. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy for many ailments, including constipation. Although there's no scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness for treating constipation, some people find it beneficial. However, excessive consumption may cause throat irritation or low potassium levels. To use apple cider vinegar for constipation relief, mix 1 tablespoon with a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Consult your doctor before using this remedy to ensure it doesn't interfere with any medications you're taking. 5. Pear juice. Pear juice is a sweet and refreshing drink that contains fiber and sorbitol, which promote bowel movements. Drinking pear juice regularly can help prevent constipation. For maximum benefits, use fresh, ripe pears to make your own juice. Pear juice is also high in vitamin C and antioxidants, supporting overall immune system function. 6. Coffee. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the muscles in the digestive system, promoting bowel movements. However, too much coffee can cause dehydration and worsen constipation. It's recommended to limit coffee intake and pair it with plenty of water or other hydrating fluids. Note that not everyone reacts positively to coffee. Some may experience increased heart rate or anxiety. In such cases, consider alternative drinks. 7. Peppermint tea. Peppermint oil can help relax the muscles in the digestive tract and relieve constipation. Steep dried peppermint leaves in hot water and drink as a tea. 8. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice can help prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. Drink 1 cup of cranberry juice per day to stay regular. 9. Ginger tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive system and relieve constipation. Steep fresh ginger in hot water and drink as a tea. 10. Apple juice. Apple juice contains pectin, a natural fiber that can help soften stool and stimulate bowel movements. Drink 1 cup of apple juice per day to relieve constipation. 11. Kombucha. Kombucha contains probiotics that can help promote a healthy gut and relieve constipation. Drink 1 cup of kombucha per day to support digestive health. Preventing future constipation. Preventing constipation is as important as relieving it. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps soften stools, making them easier to pass. Fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are essential for preventing constipation. Adults should consume at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. Regular exercise, even light activities like walking or stretching, helps to prevent constipation by stimulating intestinal contractions. Avoid delaying going to the bathroom when nature calls to maintain regular bowel habits. If symptoms persist or you have any underlying medical conditions or concerns, consult with a healthcare professional for further guidance.